Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete a database. At the last video we learned about how we can delete table. In this video we are gonna learn how we can delete database. I wanna delete this example database. Okay, how you can make it? Let's see it. MySQL minus search localhost minus u root and minus p. Okay, use my example database. Now we are inside our example database and I want to delete this database, this example database. How you can delete it? Like this. Drop database, your database name, example. Now let's enter and we don't have example database anymore. Let's see. If I refresh here, look, we don't have example database anymore. With drop database, you can delete your whole database.